Hey everyone friends, on a Valorant call. Today I'm going to show you how to fix packet loss and ping. Alright. Of course, it mostly depends on your adapter, but still you can try a few things. First, let's go to network settings. Type network connections, select your internet. Mine is network 8. Click properties, select IP version 4, click properties, and here click use custom DNS. There. Enter 111188888 and press the OK button. Done. Now see how it works after this. If this doesn't help, then open CMD. Type ipconfig/flushdns here. I think it looks like this. This command lets you reset your DNS settings and basically it helps reduce network load. Alright, and the next method is to go to settings. Here go to update and security. Yeah, it might also be called Windows Update. Click advanced options. Here, click developer optimization and uncheck allow downloads from other devices. There, this can help, but it does use some internet. Right? It transfers some pieces of your previous Windows to your local network or the internet. So it actually uses internet, well, like a background process. There. Next, let's check Chrome. Yes. Click the three dots, then settings. Since I'm in guest mode, it's not here. I'll log in through a regular account, click the three dots, settings. Here's system, and look, there's continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. There, this needs to be turned off. It uses internet and drains your computer's resources. There, that's all. This was Valor. Hope this helped. If not, contact your ISP to resolve your internet speed and performance issues. This was Valor. Bye everyone.